nothing that I wouldn't do for your love, boy. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I started off with a fresh face, then I went in with my East Rouge Expert Preparation Skin, like prepared lotion for dry skin, and I'm going to apply it all over my face to moisturize it. After that, I went in with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, just to ensure that I'll be glowing from within, you know, like glow. Was born to glow, no time to not shine. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. I'm going to rub it in such that when I apply my foundation, it's just going to be seamless. And I'm going with my foundation, the Fit Me foundation in the shade 355. You already know, if you're in my channel, if you have been in my channel, you already know this foundation. Then I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to spray some setting spray on it just to make the application even more seamless and nice. After applying the foundation using this brush, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender just to ensure that everything is nice and smooth. Thank you all so much for all those who have subscribed. Today is Followers Appreciation Day. I'm so grateful for all those who have subscribed, all my day one subscribers. Thank you all for being here with me, for me, everything. Thank you for pushing me even when I had nothing, poor lightning. Every day I'm getting better thanks to you guys. The fact that you're there for me makes me want to do better, so I'm so grateful. Thank you all so much, so much. I cannot even thank you guys enough. Thank you all so much. And please do well to comment down below what you like to see on my channel, such that I keep bringing content for you. I'm trying to be very much consistent and be there for all of you, my loves. I'm so grateful. I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to apply it in my T-zones, and I'm going to blend that into my skin using my beauty blender. Today you're going to see I'm going to just be doing everything soft, like you know, makeup look. I just want to highlight a few points, but I'm not going to like set, or I'm not going to bake my face. So I went in with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. It's an oil control formula. I'm going to set my highlighted areas. I'm just setting them. I'm not baking or doing anything, because we don't want to do anything harsh, anything too much. We're just going to like set everything, just looking nice and smooth and flawless. You can use this makeup to go to church, or when you're herring, or when you have limited time for anything. Because to film this video I took about 25 to 30 minutes. So you can do it when you're going out, you're in a haste to go somewhere, but you just want something small and not too much. That's going to be good. Then I went in with this contour brush. I actually did not use any product like a dark shade to contour. I did my makeup the day before, so I'm just using what's left in the brush to just lightly contour my face, and it's not really necessary. Then I'm going to go in with my brown pencil, and I'm just going to do some light strokes, just following my God-given brows, just to do something really simple. If you'd like to see how a detailed brow tutorial, I'm going to link it down below. so you watch. I have a digital brow tutorial up on my channel. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go back in with my Fit Me foundation. I know some of you are wondering why I didn't use my pro concealer, just because I want everything to look really natural and smooth. So I'm not going to go in with the concealer because it might be noticeable. We are going in for that kind of look, like I was born this way, I woke up like this, I'm glowing from inside. Like nobody's even going to notice. And people hardly even notice if you have makeup on. So that's the look we're going in for. But if you really want your brows noticeable, you can go ahead and use concealer. But if you're going in for a no makeup look, you have to use your foundation to conceal your brows. I was feeling the look. Then I went in to set my face using my setting spray. Then I'm going to go back with my, just because I'm extra and I just wanted something a little more glow, even though it's not very necessary since we use the NYX liquid illuminator. It's not very necessary using solid glow bronzer anymore, but I just wanted it that way. Then I took this brush which came out from my professional brow kit. It has two sides with two different colors, and I'm going to be using it for my lips today. I'm just giving light strokes because I just want to go in for something very natural, and you know the drill. And my natural lip color is kind of dark in the upper side of my lips and a little bit pinkish down there. I just want to keep it settled nice. And I went in with my Vaseline lip therapy, and I'm just going to go over my lips with it like that, over the pencil I just used, just so that glossy, nice, soft. Then I went in with my L'Oreal mascara, and I'm going to brush my natural lashes. Yes, we're not going to be applying falsies today because you're just going for something natural, nice and smooth. You could wear this makeup to the beach or just nice and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and love, and see you guys on my next one.